Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to check the battery health of your iPhone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the way to check the battery health on iPhone is just open the settings, and right after that we need to scrolling down until we found the battery section, and whenever we found it we just need to go click it. And right after that, you just need to take a look on this line. There will be information about the battery health and charging, so you just need to go click it. So basically, the battery health is the comparisons between the maximum capacity, the current maximum capacity of your battery compared to whenever it was new. So here you can see that my battery health is 78% compared to the first I got this phone, which is the 100%, means that the quality of my battery is quite decreased. So that is the way, guys, how to check the battery health on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.